amount of positive we do and that na highlight.
Poor man if he get $1 million, he might consider himself as rich. And the man donate this to the blind society.
Day and day me a loser for humans, you know.
I'm on them lose your Benz Kickstarter represent the dancehall pro.
No, big man thing. I pray if you gonna move to a different planet or something.
What's my people don't know, it's your boy Kim. Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so today we are gonna talk about the greatness of what Alkaline has done to the blind society. So it was said that the New Way Festival donated $1 million to the Jamaican Society for the Blind with the organization operational needs. Guys, so today we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna speculate a little bit. You get me and say, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please leave a like on the video if we talk something factual. Get me and say, state your thoughts in the comment section, my people. You don't know. And share the content. So without further ado, my people, we can jump straight on the video. Okay, my people, thanks for everybody who has been tuning into the channel. You get me and say, I don't know, the channel has been growing immensely. Thanks to everybody who has been sharing, who has been supporting. I don't know if you're gonna follow out a door and thing and the little spot and I kind of refurbish my room. Deal it up and everything after I did, you know. You never did finish. You get me and say, but you know, nobody call them with the bag and say, oh, what is that and everything. You get me and say, so we're gonna talk about how Alkaline has donated $1 million to the blind society. However, it is not the first Alkaline has been doing such great. Remember back in 2020 when he donated $1 million to a charity where he give a lot of chemical to a school. Very good donation. You get me? I say, you really see whole heap of them top people come out and talk about it because the man said this.
The amount of positive we do and that na highlight.
Yeah, dog, so the man said that. So people that even want to come out and highlight the positive way in the boat. Man just tell them say, yo, we not care. You understand? And this is a very great movement for the entire dancehall industry. I mean, like, everybody out there want to try bash man because come and say, oh, never do good for dancehall. However, people are bashing man because of man they say back in 2013, you see me? So from then till now, no matter how good a man do, people still now come out and talk about it. Now me have to come out and talk about it because it is not every dancehall artist come up. It is not every dancehall artist have $1 million in their bank account, no matter how much song or hits them get. It has to be a big savings. Something where the deduction fee can able to withdraw from. Get me and say, so the man come out, the man doing donation to the blind society. However, how much dancehall artists out there right now in a dancehall, big dancehall artists can do such well? I say them can't do it about as have they started it yet? I guess not. But these are the things that we should be able to come out and talk about and give our side of story on. Now, when me see this now, I see that post here come up from about the day before I post it on the day after. But I never come up and talk about it because I decide to say I'm not going to talk about this topic because it's, I don't know, I put it up on me community feed and thing, but I say, yo, when I'm virgin said it, I say, yo, see something where you can talk about it. A Gaza man, you know. And I say, yo, see something where you can talk about it. So I say, alright, lay down in bed, rain and fall out, I don't know if you can hear me properly, but I lay down in bed and I say, yo, John, I could talk about it. And if me not come out and talk about this, then eventually I not feel good in myself. I have a whole lot of videos to release phone, but I don't know, this is really more important than the video I'm going to drop after this. I get me I say, so people, I don't know, Kerry Berry, Alkaline's manager, has done something very phenomenal and I have to give him the credit for that. I have to give she and him, Alkaline sister, which is his manager, and Alkaline the credit, which is a dancehall top superstar vendetta for life artist, the credit. Because I've seen dancehall artists give donation, not many did, but some of them did because none of them now go in their pocket and donate to nothing because they must say, oh, people are wicked and people are this and they don't know, they not take the money give to nobody. But once people is poor and in need, then eventually there's somebody out there should come up and stand up against it and say, yo, we're going to put you back, you know, away from the wall and put it to the out front. So if anybody on the back we can't hear it, then eventually you get a microphone to talk a little bit. louder. You get me I say? But this is something very good, and me have to big up. Congratulations to the New Rules Festival, who has been doing such great, phenomenal movement for the whole Vendetta movement. You get me I say? People no longer really talk about it because it's something good. I've seen Terror made a post, I've seen Terror talk about this topic, and I've read some of the comments that the people are commenting, and I say, yo, why them are comment them thing? I mean, see a lot of man comment and say, oh, dog looks strength for help out a poor. Brother, the man not even post you up on him social media account, the man not post you up on nowhere. It is just that the New Rules Festival page, the person who control the New Rules Festival page, he was the one that posted this particular, script. You see me? When I see this now, I say, oh, I never ever talk about it, dog. And I say, I post it on my story, a bag of people like it. I believe 80 people like it, and I say, oh, Jano, if 80 person can come out and love it, or over on social media, Instagram, it's on WhatsApp, it's everywhere, and people can come out and run it and support it, then eventually that is a very phenomenal movement for the Vendetta boss. Well, enough people in the whole Jamaica, then we see it, then we ignore it. But you know, when they go talk about it, couple months after, I said, show that or nothing. I see a youth comment and say, $1 million stripper money. I say, $1 million stripper money. That's when you hear governor say, and everything people sing a man throwing it in the youth, and everything people sing a man throwing it. Just because you hear governor say, $1 million stripper money. I feel like he might take $1 million and give to a woman for strip. A joke him a make money. I think $1 million easy to come by. So if a man for work $1 million from music, and music is so hard to manage, the management of music is kind of difficult. You have to pay the producer, you have to pay the manager, you have to pay everybody who deal with the music, make the music reach out to wider audience. You tell me say $1 million come like a stripper money. Brother, $1 million boy, myself never own $1 million. It's going in a bank account, but me myself never take you up and hold it. So it come like because it come and go, but right now if a poor man get $1 million, he might consider himself as rich. And the man donate this to the blind society who is less fortunate than others who go up gardens, waste the money, do a bag of insurance nonsense, and do some whole heap of things that not even necessary, and waste money. All them money are now waste. When they can take it, go give somebody, take it to charity, because charity need it. Charity need it more than me and you, because them people, them don't have anything to push them forward in the future, because one, when you hear blind charity, them now can't see. Them blind. You see me? Because them future cut right this up. You get me I say? Nobody at all gonna take up $1 million. Me as a poor man I work so hard. Family member and everybody who watch this I work so hard. I think it's easy to take up $1 million and say them I'll get to charity right now. No, nobody not gonna do that, bro. Nobody at all not gonna do that. So I'm happy, congratulate the New Rules team, I have to congratulate Kerberry herself, I have to congratulate the man himself for this. I mean, like me feel very proud of my artist. I'm not stop talk, Data for life, I'm not stop talk, I'm proud of your dog. You see me? You've came out and done so much great in this whole dancehall industry. People will start, come out, accept the truth of the truth. Give man him props, dog. The man deserve him props, brother. Because many now come out and give him props, but I will. And this is what I'm doing now. I'm giving him his props. Get me? So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section about my response for the Vendetta camp. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for the new and share the content to people who don't have a familiarity about what I'm going right now. Please share it to them and tell them about it. You get me? Say thanks for watching. You don't know, and other year. Look out for our next video, because our next video soon come up. You see me? Peace out.